Hey guys, Doug here with Infotainment.com. We're working on the 2013 to 2024 Ram Truck 1500, the classic body. This also applies to the 2013 to 2018 Ram heavy duty trucks. What I want to show you guys today is a prototype system here. This is a 10.1 inch Uconnect 5 system retrofitted into the classic body Ram. I think you guys are going to love this. As you can see, a nice large high resolution display. It is going to fit a little bit differently once the production version is out. So let me go ahead and fire up the truck and show you guys how it works. So right here in the home section, you have all these different widgets here that are all customizable. This is part of the Uconnect 5 system. You can slide things around, add your own widget, add different profiles, one for you, one for your spouse. So whenever you get in, you select your profile and it has all the settings you want. In the media section here, you do get AM, FM radio with built-in HD radio. Sirius XM, once subscribed, you'll get that, and it does have the 360L package capability, so you can get album art, station identification. It works really well. Do a little bit more research on that, guys. I think you'll love that. You do retain your climate controls, whether you have single zone or dual zone controls. Everything works as designed, whether on screen or from your hard controls. You do retain your audio controls from your steering wheel, your tune, your seek, voice recognition, and your phone button, so you can utilize the Uconnect Bluetooth. The GPS navigation system for Uconnect 5 is amazing. You do get pinch to zoom. You do get all of the search functionality through the TomTom system. Again, this is basically the exact same system that comes in the late model Rams that has been retrofitted to work in the classic body Ram. So awesome GPS navigation system. As you can see here, wireless CarPlay. This is one of the main reasons why people love Uconnect 5 so much. You do get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So as soon as you get in your truck, it connects. You don't have any wires tethered to the truck. It works as soon as you get in. As I mentioned before, it is all pre-programmed plug and play. These are all factory Mopar parts. This is a Mopar screen and a Mopar Uconnect 5 module. So everything will be pre-programmed. You won't lose any features. Your apps button here, you can set favorites, slide them down to your home row, so on and so forth. I did want to take a minute to show you the backup camera. You will retain backup camera. If you want to add it, now would be a great time to do it. You will also retain the cargo camera for those of you who have it. If you'd like to add a cargo camera, we do carry that on our website, Infotainment.com. So just a really slick system here. I think you guys are absolutely going to love it. So let us know what you guys think, and go to our website if you're interested. Our product request form on our website homepage will be an area to put your information to find out when it's released. So go check us out at Infotainment.com.